welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. And so guys, if you're tuning in for the first time, I just want to welcome you. And for those who have been with me, guys, you know how much I appreciate you, right? Thank you so much. Today I just want to bring you into my kitchen where I'll show you how I did this baked chicken into vegetable tossed salad.
So guys, here in this container I have the chicken breast that I went ahead deboned because I really had run out of chicken breast. So I just deboned, washed with vinegar, and seasoned with this seasoning I'm displaying, Mrs. Dash herb and garlic, but diet complete seasoning, and my Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. So the next thing I did was to add some extra virgin olive oil to the chicken that is seasoned, and that is a teaspoon of olive oil. And the reason being, this will add moisture and also tenderness to the chicken. After combining all ingredients, mixing with a spoon, I am going to leave for 30 minutes to marinate. After 30 minutes is completed, then I place the chicken in a baking container. After finish, spreading out the chicken in the container so that each and every piece can have a nice cook, I am now ready to put the chicken in the oven. And this I will leave for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. While the chicken is being baked, I'm now gonna prepare my vegetables, and the next time you'll see me is at presentation. And like that guys, here you have it. Lunch is ready. Baked chicken into vegetable tossed salad, sprinkled with cheese and also a drizzle of honey mustard sauce. Guys, if you find this video appealing, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Please hit the bell icon to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, thank you so much always for stopping by at Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. Please share this video on your Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. Please tell a friend about Sophie's Cooking Corner and come join me on my cooking journey. Until then, may God continue to bless you and may you have a wonderful remaining of your day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.